Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD, I still think this is most likely as a wave A or maybe a 1. I still think this is 3 waves up for a B or maybe a wave 2, and I still think this is more likely to go down for a wave C or maybe even a wave 3, but I definitely think more likely a wave C. Either way definitely doesn't matter at this point in the pattern because either way should lead to a big downtrend. So keep that in mind as we go down to the weekly. On the weekly time frame, I still think this is a nice downtrend right here. Still looks to me like a wave 1. I still think this push up is a wave 2. Now whether or not the wave 2 is over or not, I guess is debatable. We don't really have a break of structure. We do have a little bit of a Fibonacci bounce. If it does break structure, then I would say that probably proves that the wave 2 is over and that we are going down for a big giant wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, I mean, we did miss the Fibonacci level by a little bit, but I mean, that definitely would be close enough for me to call a hit. Looking at the other dollar pairs, I still suspect that this move down could be a correction to this move up, and I still think that this might even break out of the 61 and go up to the 78.6 before it actually does go down. But we're going to have to keep an eye on shorter time frames for evidence that this really is ending a correction. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move up. I still suspect that this move down is a correction to this last push up. I still think there's a pretty good likelihood that we're going to get a Fibonacci bounce and a continuation of the uptrend eventually. Now, since we are definitely going down on the 4 hour time frame, if you do trade the 1 hour time frame and down, I would be looking for shorts in a downtrend. And if we are wrong about this going back up and it just keeps on trending down, then that really shouldn't create any issues for you if you're looking for shorts in a downtrend. But I still think that it is more likely that it will end up going up eventually. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, to me, it looks like a correction. I still think it looks like maybe even a WXY because it's 3 waves down, 3 waves up. Maybe now it's going to make 3 waves down to a fib level and then turn back up. And if we do see it go down to a fib level, make a nice break of structure to the upside at a Fibonacci level, then I would stop looking for shorts and I would start looking for longs again. But like I said, if you do trade the 1 hour time frame and below, you should really be looking for shorts right now at the end of pullbacks. And if it doesn't break structure to the upside, but instead just bounces out the fib levels and just keeps making lower lows, lower highs, then you should just keep on looking for shorts until you do get that break of structure to the upside. Once that happens, stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my website linked down here below. As always, thanks and happy trading.